was a savage attack. My great-grandfather was shot twice. Michael was shot in the stomach. Then they went in and they beat the women to death, you know, which is horrific.
I bobbal íorgúilta mar sin, bhíoh sais féin fólíntacht ar siúl.
We on far tuca cúscasul.
Royal Irish Constabulary, open the door.
Bhí an léamh a duineadh ar an achtar seo, múnlathe ar an tuiscint brá an dlí in Éirinn in glec le barbarthacht.
Tá sásta féine sin bhúirta 9 na bhar seo.
If Alch is a roa, maar they're a barrel too good to be true.
There is a case before Her Majesty's Court built on the evidence of 3 courageous men.
For it's lies they're telling.
It's the same as we feel at the moment when we're faced with terrorism. There was the wish for people to feel that they lived securely.
I seek corroboration, not contradiction.
Gachrad a hála ar level an stát, visha godana, vi brabarach de geist. Ní raibh atmosphere cásannaíochta an.
These men are innocent of this crime. They crave only justice.
I'm trying to save your lives, gentlemen.
By making us murderers.
Come on, Gillyma!
Ní bheith rópa ar timpeall an mhainilsa mar gheall rud a cinnte ar baint na páirteamar.
Come on, Gillyma! Come on, Gillyma!